Hello, my name is Rashid and I'm currently living in Tulklang, Nathan, Aizawl. And I've bought three machines from Bazar91, and this is the first machine of Bazar91. And I've been running this for almost 2 years, and it's running quite good. And we have done a lot of work with this. And recently we bought a new machine from Bazar91, and it comes with a big upgrade. There is automatic oil changing. It changes the oil, and also yeah, the box quality is really good compared to the first version. And also they included this toolbox, which is very useful, and it comes along with all the tools needed for the machine. And okay, and also they has given us this box. Comes quite handy sometimes, and we can put a lot of things inside the box. And also it comes along with this big frame and a table over here. And this is 700 mm. I don't know the exact size, but it's quite big. And also it comes with five five sets of hook. Okay, and also I want to add the customer service in Bazar91 is quite impressive. And they have given me like the technician have given me like 24/7 services. Every time I have a problem, I call him and he pick up within 1 2 minutes. And also regarding the parts, yeah, we haven't faced any difficulties in the spare parts so far. And also yeah. mm, And also, if we need like extra items or spare parts, they are willing to do it for us, and that's the good part of the design tool. And this, full is satisfied with design tool, and thanks for the support and thanks for the service.